We see you creeping, but keep on dreaming. You're a bit too curious.
I'm going to look for like a tutorial. One thing
Not
I usually do for easy
interested.
and fast editing.
Try to
Hey guys, hello, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're definitely welcome. If not, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I will be sharing my day. This is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. I had to run out of the house like real quick because I had a 8 a.m. class today. I didn't drive as well. I had to take Uber because of what happened to my car. So my husband is going to take the car to the dealership today to kind of like get them to either fix it or figure out something. So that's what we're going to do today. So today I have 3 classes. I have an assignment due tomorrow. I want to take like 1 hour, 2 hours to edit my video and then upload it with the fast Wi-Fi in school. I have a video premiering at 12 noon, and then once it's 12, I'll start reading for my quiz tomorrow because there are about like 5-6 materials that I need to read. I'm excited to be sharing my day with you. My internship workshop is happening today at 1, I think, something around that time. So I won't be able to attend my second class. I already sent the professor an email. Quick tip though, some professors don't like when you're very formal with them. So I sent him like an normal formal email like, hi professor, I just wanted to request for. So apparently he didn't like how formal the email was. So just gauge your professors or your lecturers and make sure that you're communicating with them appropriately, the way they would be more receptive to responding. So now I know next time I'll just walk to his office or send him a text instead of sending an email. So he said it was too formal. Anyways, with that said, I am just currently editing my YouTube video. I don't know if I should show you guys how I edit, but if I move my laptop, I feel like I'm gonna disconnect again because any little shake like this, the hard drive will just be having mental problem. Probably should have formatted the card before filming this, but hopefully I have enough space to incorporate this video. So I'm going to be taking you throughout the whole day. Today is going to be pretty much boring. We had a meeting earlier with my brand enterprise team for the food brand that you guys know that I'm working on. So we kind of like figured out our kickoff deck. Our client has also responded. We'll be meeting with her hopefully on Thursday. She just needs to confirm. And then I already sent a message in our CBE team, 12:30 to 1:30. Where is the CBE thing? It's so hard to find. Awesome. So now that that's done, I'm going to just continue editing. I need to edit like real fast. Maybe just show you guys a few clips of me editing. But with my privacy screen guard on, I doubt you guys will be able to see anything, but we're going to try, okay? The red button down below. Oh, I forgot to just give you a brief background. So what I typically do when I am editing, I like to also have like this whole thing up like clear. So I have just like the timeline. I insert my clips, which are these clips, and then I individually set them. So the ones that are too red, I move them to blue. For example, let's find one that is a little bit, yeah. So this was, if you can see this part here, it's like yellow. So to make it normal, you want to go to your no correction. You go to wheels because that's where you're going to see that option, and then you scroll all the way down and move your temperature to the left. So the more left you move it, the bluer in quotes it becomes, and then if you move it to the right, it becomes more red. So I want it blue because the footage itself is yellow red, so blue would offset it and make it balanced. So that's why it's looking normal here. So I do that across all of the clips, increase like the brightness where necessary, and do all of that good stuff. And then the next thing I do is I add a correction layer. You can simply add this. I'm going to look for like a tutorial or something because I just bought the tutorial and I downloaded and installed it. So I'm going to put that in the description box. So you go to your adjustment layer, you pretty much just grab any of this one. So I added correction, and when I did that, I just kind of like command 7, and then it brings you there. So you want to make sure that your brightness is under 100. If it's over, you want to bring it down. But I typically like mine like slightly down, like less than like maybe 90, 80 is usually a good spot for me. Once I do all of that on this adjustment layer, that would like kind of like balance like the overall image quality, and I press command 7 again to get out of that. The next thing I do is I add my vignette. So I just basically grab another adjustment layer, I put it on here, and I go to my effect, which is here, and then I search for Vig, and it brings that out. So I drag this and put it here, and once you do that, you just go in there and pull your size all the way to the left to make it brighter. Like, can you see what that does? It makes it darker. Remove it. Can you see what's happening? So you want to make it kind of like brighter, sort of. Then then the fallout side should be all the way to the right, and then you kind of like have like a nice vigneted stuff, you know. So once I've done that, I then go in and start editing the footage itself. So I just command plus all the way in till I can see. So one thing I usually do for easy and fast editing is all those blank spaces here. When I'm in a hurry, I usually would just go in and just cut everything out, but because I want to be more efficient, I'm taking another approach today. So I'm editing as I go. So once I'm done with this editing, all I just need to do is just like add effects. And one thing I like doing is I watch the clip. Hey guys, hello. So places where I want to add like an effect, I just press M so I know where that is instead of having to watch the whole video again. Do you understand what I mean? So that saves me time. So wherever I want to add effect, I just press M and it adds a marker. M means marker, so I know where I'm supposed to add like an effect. So I just keep watching. So this welcome or welcome back. Welcome back. So I like to add like another text, and I'm just going to press M on that side. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maryann. So when I'm saying my name, I like to also put M. Maryann Okonkwo. On this channel, I make videos about the blank spaces that I want to edit. I just press Command B and it cuts it. So this is super easy. This is something I learned last month, and then you move it. Typically what I would do is I'll press B, change it to blade, cut, press A, select and delete. But with this, it saves you one step. So you basically just do Command B and then it cuts, and then you just use your same tool and move it to where you want it to be. And that's basically it. So that's what I'm going to do throughout the course of, like, I'm just going to, in the next couple of minutes or maybe even an hour, I'm going to do that across the whole footage and then come back and show you guys how I add like effects and stuff. So stay tuned. You know what I'm going to do with my tax return, and I've decided that once I get it, the first thing I'm going to do is use it to pay for my AMA certification, and that costs $349, and then I'm going to also deduct $40 out of that to do my Coursera certification. So I want to finish my project management. So when I did it last year, I didn't submit because I wanted to do 2 additional certificates so I can pay. And anyways, long story short, I think it was too long and now I have to redo everything kind of like afresh. I'm not scared about it, I'm just a little bit pissed, but I'm happy to do that all over again because it's just gonna be like a good refresher, especially ahead of my internship. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I still need to figure out a time, say like maybe an hour every Wednesday or something. Whew, okay.
Oh, wait, what's your name again? Wayne? Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed, I was like, oh shit. Boy, I had to try, I can't even lie.
It is currently 1 p.m. and 2 o'clock is when my internship workshop starts, but I was able to finish the video. So between now and 2 o'clock, next 1 hour, I want to finish like 2 articles for my marketing research. But yeah, this is what the video editing is currently looking like, and I'm just, everything is perfect. I just need to add like the titles. But for this, I usually like to thematic. I recently subscribed to Thematic Premium, which is $49.99 annually. Sorry, $59.99 annually. That's $60. And I felt it made more sense because when I really like their songs are like really aesthetic. It's the kind of music I want to use on my new channel. Plus it was definitely cheaper than using Epidemic, even though they don't give us the option of like soundtrack, sound effects, I mean, but the songs are really, really nice. So that's what I'm currently using. Let me know if you want like a detailed review on how it works and what's not. If you're not into the premium, you don't want to buy the premium one, they also have like the free version where you can download like music. But the only thing though, I feel like the premium music are a lot better than the ones you get for free. But yeah, so I'm going to go into my thematic and find like 3 cool songs that I can use for this particular vlog, and then we're done with this one. So I'm gonna quickly go and use the restroom, drop by at my professor's office, and then come back and start reading for the next one. So my internship workshop is about to start. Well, not almost, in the next 27 minutes. So I think I have 27 minutes to start reading, at least finish up 1 article for my marketing research quiz, which is due tomorrow. By the way, one of my videos just premiered. But yeah, I'm so excited. I really like the sea. This is the kind of lighting I should be having in my house. But I don't know, my husband went now and did not select a house where there was a lot of windows. There were a lot of windows, so I'm stuck with what we have and kind of like have to make it work. The next place that we're moving into, I have 100% say. Like if I don't like it, if it's not up to standard for me, it has to have as many windows as possible. I won't be moving forward with it. So lesson learned. I'm not gonna rush next time. But I just feel so overwhelmed, you know. I just have a lot of things that I need to do, and I feel like I have such a little time to accomplish everything. I've gone and made mouth now that I have been doing marketing for 5 years. They will not be expecting me to perform miracle with the campaign that I should have just kept my mouth shut. I need to even call my husband and find out what they said at the dealership. Never usually the one who wanna save on. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. I don't like wasting my time, I don't like risking it all. Too busy handling mine, too independent to fall. And I don't even know why you make me want to shove, to keep it honey, honey. I think I liar, liar. Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lines that I done drawn, you've been erasing. Never usually the one who wanna save on. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. But I fuck with you. And all the moves that I done said, you got me breaking. Wanted you to be my mama, that shit crazy. 25. I need to start heading to my class for my 3:45 class, and then after that I can start heading home. I was working on a focus group poster for my focus group research. I'm going to show you to the professor just to make sure that we're all aligned on the stuff. I'll see you guys. I just finally got home. Today went pretty well. Onboarding went really well. Not onboarding, the workshop went really well. I am just going to go take a nap, sleep. If I wake up, fine. If I don't wake up, that's all well and good, but I'm really tired. Thank you so much for following me to school today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Not Hispanic. I think it's 20 index for Hispanic consumer.
Oh gosh, you've started? Never mind. Don't put the volume. Okay, so wait a minute.
Walking like I'm feeling myself. I just hit the Heisman like I'm posted.